let's discuss gadgets you will definitely enjoy. All gadgets links in comment and description. Let's start the video. TaskStar electric car jack kit by your side. This compact, bright yellow lifesaver is your ultimate roadside hero, designed to lift up to 5 tons in just 5 minutes. With its 6.1 to 17.7-inch lifting range, it's perfect for SUVs, trucks, sedans, and more. The powerful electric impact wrench makes screw removal a breeze with up to 450 Nm of torque, and the built-in tire inflator ensures you're back on the road in no time. Plus, the waterproof design, LED lights, and emergency triangle add safety and convenience for nighttime or rainy situations. But like every gadget, it has its ups and downs. The pros: it's portable, user-friendly, and makes tire changing an effortless experience even for beginners. The cons? At 8 kilograms, it's not the lightest tool to carry around, and it requires access to a 12V power source, which might be a hassle for some users. Next, Bravestorming MoverPad, your ultimate companion for school projects, office presentations, or parenting chaos. With its sleek, A6-size design and a stylish pink leather cover, this magnetic memo brick organizer is not just functional, but also a visual delight. It transforms mundane tasks into an opportunity to express yourself, whether you're brainstorming ideas, organizing to-do lists, or tackling school projects. Its magnetic feature ensures that your memos stay exactly where they belong. No more clutter, no more lost notes. Now, let's talk about the pros. It's compact, chic, and designed for versatility, perfect for school, parenting, or professional use. The cons? The memo bricks aren't included, which might be a slight hiccup for those expecting an all-in-one package. But once you add those, it's a dream come true for anyone looking to blend organization with creativity. Next, Kesrer 01. Full-motion long-arm laptop desk swoops in like a superhero. This sleek silver stand is more than just a table. It's your new productivity partner. With a fully adjustable aluminum tray that swivels 360 degrees and a mouse tray that pivots 180 degrees, it adapts to your every move, left-handed or right. Its streamlined design cradles your elbows for ultimate comfort, and the sturdy base can handle up to 20 kilograms. Plus, if it needs extra stability, you can weigh it down with sand, water, or even rocks. Perfect for work, gaming, or just lazy afternoons. This stand is built to keep you comfortable and focused. The pros: its ergonomic design saves your neck, back, and shoulders, and the eco-friendly, rust-resistant materials promise long-lasting quality. The cons: at 30.9 pounds, it's not the lightest to move around, and the setup might require a bit of elbow grease. Next, IRONZON Fingerprint Door Lock, a sleek black marvel designed to blend technology and style effortlessly. With its advanced 3-in-1 unlocking options, fingerprint recognition, anti-peep virtual password, and a physical key, you'll never stress about forgetting your keys again. Its fingerprint sensor is lightning fast, unlocking your door in just 1 second with a 98% accuracy rate, and it can store up to 50 fingerprints. Perfect for your family or office. Whether you're a homeowner, renter, or business owner, this lock provides peace of mind and simplicity. Plus, the no-drill, no-wiring DIY installation is a breeze, fitting most standard doors. And if the battery runs low, no worries, a Type-C port for emergency charging has you covered. The pros: it's stylish, keyless, and incredibly user-friendly, offering top-notch security with added convenience. The cons: it requires 4 AAA batteries, which means you'll need to keep replacements handy. And while installation is DIY-friendly, it might take a bit of patience for first-timers. Next, Yihua 926-60W digital soldering iron station, your ultimate tool for precision and ease. This compact yet powerful station heats up fast, offering an impressive temperature range from 194 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, with consistent PID temperature stabilization to keep your projects flawless. Whether you're repairing electronics, creating custom builds, or crafting jewelry, this station has your back. With 12 accessories, including 6 extra tips, a solder sucker, lid-free solder, tweezers, and even helping hands, it's an all-in-one kit ready for any challenge. Its LED display, easy degree C/degree F conversion, and auto sleep mode make it as user-friendly as it is advanced. Plus, the integrated soldering iron holder and tip storage keep your workspace organized and safe. Now the pros: it's versatile, compact, and packed with features like digital calibration and sleep mode to extend the life of your soldering tips. The cons: it operates on 110/127V, limiting its use for international travelers, and some Some beginners might need a learning curve with the controls. Next, Ragproper Modern Glass. Hip Flask is exactly that, a perfect blend of form and function. Encased in a durable black silicone sleeve with curved edges for a snug fit in your pocket, it's designed to be as practical as it is elegant. Whether you're sipping whiskey at a bonfire or carrying gin for a rooftop gathering, this flask keeps your spirits fresh with its leak-proof cork and silicone-lined lids. With clear glass construction and a handy pour window, you can showcase your drink of choice with pride. This isn't just a flask, it's a modern masterpiece for those who embrace luxury and adventure. Now, the pros. It's stylish, ergonomic, and comes with thoughtful extras like a vented funnel and spare liners. It's perfect for gifting or personal indulgence. The cons. The glass construction, while elegant, may feel less rugged for intense outdoor activities, and it's slightly heavier than metal flasks. Next, Zelkin HSS 5 PCS Titanium Step Drill Bit Set. This is not just a set of drill bits. It's a game changer for anyone working with sheet metal, plastic, or even aluminum. With high-speed steel construction and a durable titanium coating, these bits handle heat, rust, and corrosion like a pro, ensuring a long-lasting cutting edge. The set offers 50 sizes in just 5 bits, saving you the hassle of juggling countless tools. Plus, the included automatic center punch ensures precision every time, with an adjustable cap to control striking force. Everything is neatly packed in an aluminum case, making it as portable as it is efficient. Let's break it down. Pros? The compact set replaces 50 individual bits, saves time, and is perfect for light jobs and home repairs. The titanium coating and high-speed steel make it durable and dependable. Cons? It's ideal for sheet metal and softer materials, but might not handle thicker or tougher metals as effectively. Next, 34-inch Ultragear OLED curved gaming monitor. A breathtaking combination of cutting-edge technology and gamer-centric design. Its massive 34-inch OLED screen with a dramatic 800R curve pulls you into the action like never before. With a blazing fast 240 Hz refresh rate and a jaw-dropping 0.03 ms response time, every move, shot, and frame feels lightning fast and silky smooth. The display HDR. True black 400 and a contrast ratio of 1.5 m. Make dark scenes vivid and detailed, delivering cinematic quality visuals. Whether you're battling online foes or exploring vast fantasy worlds, NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro ensure tear-free, seamless gameplay. Pros? Stunning visuals, buttery smooth performance, and gamer-friendly features make it perfect for competitive and casual players alike. Cons? The premium OLED tech comes with a higher price tag, and its ultra-wide 21:9 aspect ratio may not be fully supported in all games. Next, Trayvax Original 2.0 wallet is the perfect blend of sleek design and rugged durability. Crafted from anodized aircraft-grade aluminum and stainless steel, this front pocket wallet is built to withstand the test of time, offering protection for up to 15 cards, a money clip for your bills, and a secure RFID blocking feature to guard your personal info against electronic theft. Need a bottle opener on the go? The Trayvax has you covered with its built-in opener and durable pry bar, making it a must-have for adventurers and everyday carry enthusiasts alike. Plus, the added convenience of an ID badge holder and easy-access window ensures you're never fumbling for your essentials. Pros? Compact, lightweight, RFID protection, and multifunctional design. Perfect for those who want convenience and security. Cons? Its slim design might not fit larger stacks of cash or receipts, and it's definitely built for minimalists, so if you carry a lot, this might not be the wallet for you. Next, Kensun Portable Air Compressor Pump. You don't need to worry. This powerhouse is equipped with dual solid metal motors, delivering fast inflation that's both efficient and reliable. Whether you're at home or on the go, the AC/DC compatibility lets you power up the inflator using a 12V car cigarette lighter or the 110V wall plug, making it versatile for any situation. The large, easy-to-read analog pressure gauge ensures you're always in control, with clear pressure readings in PSI, bar, or kPa, up to 100 PSI. It's perfect for car tires, bicycles, motorcycles, basketballs, and even inflatables. Just plug it in and you're set. Pros: fast inflation, portable dual power sources for ultimate convenience, and multi-purpose functionality. Plus, its durable, high-quality construction ensures it'll last. Cons: the 92 dB noise level may be a bit loud for some, so keep that in mind during use. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts and comments about this video video. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.